Hi, my name is Dr. Diana Tadros. I'm a cosmetic dentist down in Florida. I have been utilizing exocad and iTero for the last 4 years, and it has become one of the biggest game changers and MVPs in my practice. And I'm here to tell you how it can benefit you and more so your patients. So when a lab gets patient data, photos, scan, everything, this is the best we can do to replicate the patient being in their chair or tableside while they're designing. The more data that a lab can get for a case, the more accurate they can replicate the patient's natural characterizations, their translucencies, their shapes, because you give them that data. The less data you give them, the less they have to work off, which means now they're guessing. And I don't want my lab guessing on cases. I want them to be able to confidently say, great, this is everything I need to execute what you've already designed and promised to the patient. So one of the greatest benefits with exocad and being able to have the patient there while we are showing them the design is also helping to figure out how many teeth will it take to get to their goal. A lot of times patients don't even know when they come in for the consultation what it's going to take. They've heard buzzwords like veneers or bondings, but they really aren't familiar. So I have the ability to kind of show them this is what it would look like if we did 6 teeth versus if we did 8 teeth, and I can do that very seamlessly with the software. So we are given that open line of communication, but they are able to visualize all different alternatives that would make sense for their cosmetic goals. Being able to have the lab and the patient communicating back and forth in an efficient manner and a timely manner can help us get to the desired goal quicker. So if I'm able to do a design and I can share it with that patient that same day, they can give me their feedback. I can also relay that to the lab so we're all on the same page. So we're moving these cases in a very efficient way, but we're moving them in a predictable manner at the same time.